This was a big surprise, and I want to thank you, Your Excellency, and the entire cabinet colleagues for the opportunity to celebrate my 45th birthday with you. And, especially after the incident of Saturday. And I want to thank all of you who prayed for us. Great appreciation. And this is really, really a serious surprise. I never expected this. And considering I'm going to the field now, this is the best way to celebrate this. And thank you for making my day such a great success. And I want to say God bless you so, so much. And thank you for the comradeship, partnership, working relationship.
We remain one great family. And I want to thank everybody for support, Professor Dogo's support, for your support. Our cabinet meeting room is almost ready, and dining wellness center is also on course, where people can come and exercise and run and walk and do whatever. So from where I coordinate here, I try to make it, much as we work, to bring a little bit social, family,